Hello friends, welcome to your very own YouTube channel, and this is Dr. Nikita here, your mentor, educator and friend. So in this video, we are going to talk about 7 incredible ideas to bypass the last 7 days before your exam, and particularly the FMGE exam which is upcoming in the next week. Tip number 1. No entry to new topics. It's always better to revise the facts that you have already read rather than studying the new topics and then putting your precious time into revising. So make sure you are not reading anything new. But yes, you can definitely look into the new mnemonics to help you remember the difficult topics even in these last 7 days, and they would help you for sure. Trust me for this, that you need to believe in all the hard work that you have put into all these months. Sometimes you would also feel that, oh my god, I'm not remembering anything, but that's absolutely normal. If you do maximum revision in these last 7 days, I'm pretty sure that you would do well in the exam as well. Tip number 2. No more stressing over the GTs or the mock test. I know that many of you are unhappy with your grand test or the mock test results, but what we also need to understand is the fact that none of the grand test matches to the level of the FMGE exam. Our grand test results can never predict our real exam scores as well. In the grand test, generally the questions are a bit difficult, so that they make sure that you hold a grasp of all the topics, while the FMGE exam mostly is more superficial and easier. I hope that gives you a sigh of relief. Tip number 3. Make the most of it. Make the most of every single day that you have now. Like, you must study for 12 hours. You can divide your day into 4 hours for major subjects like medicine, surgery, OBGY, 2 hours for images, 2 hours for PYQs, 2 hours for moderate length subjects like patho, microbiology, and 2 hours for revising whatever you read the day before, or for your weaker subjects and weaker topics. Basically, the more repeatedly any data goes into your brains, more are the chances that you would remember them better in the examination hall. Tip number 4. No chance for negativity. These last 7 days are very, very crucial, and trust me, in these last 7 days, attitude plays a much better and important role than the aptitude. Do not open even a single window to the negative vibes and the negative people. Visualize your exam day, that is 4th of June. Visualize you entering into the exam hall with full confidence and all the positivity, and you coming out of the examination hall with the utmost sense of satisfaction that you played well and you gave your best shot. So visualize and think only the positive, remove all the negative. Tip number 5. Don't sacrifice your sleep hours. Now, I understand that as the number of days become lesser, the motivation to study increases exponentially, and for that we might also tend to decrease our sleep hours. You will not realize the benefits that sleep can give you, so trust me on that. Sleep as much as you can, because it increases your thinking power and concentration as well. Whenever you feel like sleeping, just doze off, even if there's a huge pile of syllabus which is remaining. It makes absolute no sense that you are sleepy and still you are there on the study table, but at the end realizing neither did you study and nor did you sleep. So whenever you feel like sleeping, just doze off, and please do not compromise on your sleep hours. Tip number 6. Do not leave any subject for your exam. By that, I do not mean that you need to master all the 19 subjects. But if you ask me, jack of all trades versus master of one subject, I would always say that jack of all trades, that is knowing something about all subjects, is always better than mastering one subject in entirety. So at least from all the subjects, focus on the PYQs, that's the previous year questions, and the high yield facts which have a high probability of being asked in the exam. For that, I would highly recommend you watching the NF100 series of sessions that I've had so far. NF100 is the top 100 topics, and you would get a lot of questions out of that. You would get the links of those videos on my Telegram channel in the pinned message, so make sure you watch those as well. And here's tip number 7, the last and the most important one. Rest in the end and not in the middle. I can totally understand it's very stressful for each one of you. You are constantly surrounded by what ifs. But remember this, guys, if anybody on the earth can do what you are trying to do, remember, you too can. You have that unleashed potential that you need to realize, and I believe in you much more than you believe in yourself. Trust me, you can do this, and you will do this, and you will definitely win this battle. So I'm looking forward to hear from each one of you on the other side after the exams, and wishing you all the very best for this exam, for the upcoming FMGE exam on 4th of June. Give it your best shot. Just remember, you should be satisfied with your attempt as you come out of the examination hall. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, and keep studying, keep revising, and keep winning.